Son tells me this morning, hey Dad, your car doesn't start. It's a 2017 Mazda 6. Saying the battery seems like it's dead. Well, let's take a look. Okay, so I'm in my car, gonna try to start her up. Oh, almost. No juice. Okay, so I guess we're gonna take a look under the hood, see what's going on. Looks like the battery terminal's corroded. This side looks okay. Looks like this guy's gonna be checking out some TikTok videos. So after investigating, I don't have another car to boost it with. This is what I'm gonna try. Got some water in a pot and I heat her up. Okay, so it looks pretty hot. I don't think I'm gonna let it come to a complete boil. But yeah, we'll try that. Does it take away the corrosion? Looks like it's gone on that side. Let me just check the positive side. Doesn't hurt to give her a squirt. Doesn't hurt to give her a squirt. There you go. Both sides. Nice clean battery. Put that in the snow, let it cool off a bit. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Ho-ho! Check that out. Little water. Not bad, huh? Just like that, car started up. Gotta admit, love TikTok. Okay, I feel kind of guilty. Would have been cool if it worked though. Okay, I sucked it up, I put a charger on it. It didn't work the first time. So, I guess the water thing didn't work. Would have been cool though.